Hey guys, this is Zach with Next Tech News, and this is my 2018 CES coverage. And basically, I just filmed all the things I thought were really unique. Obviously, there's tons of big name YouTubers that have covered all the main things from big companies and stuff, but I just filmed all the things that I thought were cool or just super unique or just something that kind of piqued my interest. So I hope you guys enjoy. And remember, this was all sponsored by So the first thing that piqued my interest was this jetpack that kind of reminded me of like a 007 kind of jetpack from those movies, and it was presented by Insta360. Then this globe thing kind of caught my eye. It's pretty cool. It's like a projector of some kind on the inside, and then any 360-degree video can play on this globe, so you can walk all the way around it and see it, and it's projecting from the inside, which I thought was pretty cool. Then the other thing that kind of caught my eye was this, it's Y is the brand, or I'm not exactly sure how you pronounce it, but WI, and they had this 360-degree camera rig set up with their kind of GoPro competitors. And then they also had this, which was like I believe it was a 3D camera, so you could get two different perspectives. And this was obviously the rest of their booth. This was pretty cool. This was an LED video wall made up of tiles, but it was 3D. So you could put on 3D glasses and see it. And supposedly it's a lot better than normal 3D because it's 2 LEDs per pixel. These were some commercial grade quadcopters, and they just kind of piqued my interest just because of their size, honestly. But they were made by Digital Eagle. And this was another one set up for like irrigation purposes. It drizzled water over plants and stuff, made by Chip. This was pretty cool by Robotics. It was just like this submersible drone, and I don't know, it was just pretty cool, and I believe it ended up winning some sort of CES award. And this was just like a delivery service basically for the future. Just a robot that drives around and delivers you packages and all that kind of stuff by Robbie. And then of course, as common at CES that you see all the time, there were these little robots everywhere. And this was just one that caught my eye on day one. And this I just honestly thought was funny. It's not super innovative or anything like that, but it's, you know, it's a window cleaner, and I guess it's magnetic because it had two sides. And then this booth was pretty cool. It had all these different robots, all by Omron. See, these were servant robots and stuff like that. And then this was the coolest thing. This was like the coup de grace of the show for day one at least, the ping pong playing robot. I just thought it was the coolest thing. And then this was an all-electric motorcycle. Obviously it's a concept, you can probably tell just by looking at it, but I completely am blanking on what company made this. And those were like what looked like removable batteries, but I never ended up getting to talk to someone that could tell me. And this motorcycle was pretty cool. It had a computer-run AI driver simulator, and they were comparing it to an actual racing driver, so I thought that was pretty cool. And then these things are really cool. They don't look as good on video actually because you can see the things spinning, but they're basically fans with a cross with LEDs on them, and they spin so fast that the refresh rate is quicker than your eyes can see, so it looks like it's a three-dimensional video. Basically any 3D video can play in these things, and this is obviously what they looked like, but I just thought they were the coolest, most unique little things. And obviously they even give you a nice little breeze. And this was at the InWin booth. I think you guys have probably seen this before, but this is their like globe robotic case. You know, they have a computer in it. I believe it can take a picture and upload it somewhere. And basically it's just to show off their case prowess. And then this was one case that kind of piqued my interest just because I don't know if it was a mod or not, but you could see the water coolant through their InWin logo, which I just thought was pretty cool. And this is my new keyboard. Just kidding. This is a Razer demo of their keyboard, but it was massive. It was pretty cool. Well, I hope you guys like my coverage of CES 2018 so far. And remember, this is sponsored by... This is Zach with Next Tech News. See ya!